This is for our second chart of our special sounds, the blue chart. BR says burr in bride, burr, burr, burr. DR says dur in drum, dur, dur, dur. PR says purr in pray, purr, purr, purr. GR says gur in grin, gur, gur, gur. SM says sm, sm, in smoke, sm, sm, sm. SC says sk, sk, in scat, sk, sk, sk. SK says sk, sk, in skate, sk, sk, sk. SP says sp, sp, in spade, sp, sp, sp. CR says cur, cur in crab, cur, cur, cur. TW says tw, tw, in twins, tw, tw, tw. This special sound has 3 letters in it. SPL. SPL says spool, spool in splash, spool, spool, spool. This one also has 3 letters. SPR. SPR says spur in sprain, spur, spur, spur. SCR has 3 letters. SCR says skr, skr in scream, skr, skr, skr. Here's another with 3 letters. SQU. SQU says squ, squ in squeak, squ, squ, squ. SM says sn, sn in snack, sn, sn, sn. SL says soul, soul in sleep, soul, soul, soul. STR is another with 3 letters. It says stir, stir in stream, stir, stir, stir. And the last one in the blue chart is SW. SW says sw, sw in swim, sw, sw, sw.